It had no business being this good. Just a really, really perfect dish.
It is a whole bronzino, head on, tail on. It's been, split open, all the bones are taken out, and then it's stuffed with all these aromatics with ginger and garlic and lemongrass and really delicious stuff. And then it's grilled. They put a pool of the Thai red curry, and then on top are herbs, scallions, there are Thai basil, and cilantro. So it was just bursting with flavor. You've got the smoke from the grill. No notes.
This is probably one of the best bronzino dishes that I've had in Los Angeles. And it was spicy. It was not like LA mild spicy, but it had some heat. It was great. I respected it. Great dish, no notes.
Yeah, they killed it.